Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 9th of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it. And also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, this is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning, and we have done a very good job with the signals. However, you know that Monday is quite slow for trading, but still we have taken some good trades, and I'm going to talk about those trades in this video. So Euro USD with a bullish signal from 110351 and 110659 was the target price, and guys, you can see that we have a boost on Euro USD today, and it has finally hit the target price with no problem. Now it's making the downward pattern, but overall guys, our signal has expired and I will supply you another signal tomorrow. Okay, now let's talk about the USD JPY. So guys, due to the slow momentum that we have seen today on USD JPY, if you look at the pattern, then the pattern was quite slow. However, my signal was bullish on USD JPY. 107009 was the bullish entry, and you can see that we have a slight upward trend on USD JPY. If we go to the daily candle, then you look at the daily candle is also pumping up. It's bullish, so we do not have any bearish signs. So guys, if it continues the bullish activity like this, then it can reach up to 107505. But again, I'm telling you that today it's Monday, so on Mondays we can expect the low volatility in the market. That's why scalping is good whenever you see that the momentum of the pair is slow. Okay, similarly the same thing happened with USD JPY. I have given the bullish signal from 068623 and 068912 is the target price. So guys, you can see we have a slight upward trend on AUD USD from the entry, and the market has moved up. But if you look at the daily candle, now look at the daily candle is also pumping up, but due to the Monday, when you know that the market is slow on Mondays, that's why the momentum is slow here on this pair. But overall, if you have done scalping, then you must have collected a reasonable profit. And next we are talk about another slow pair of the day, that was USD CHF. A bullish expectation was provided to the subscribers in the morning from 099004 and 099304 is the target price. The target price is not met, but however, if you look at the pattern is bullish, and even if you look at the daily candle, the daily candle is pumped up. We do not have any bearish signs at the moment, so overall we are bullish on USD CHF. And next we are going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. So guys, similarly the slow momentum there, so scalping is preferable on such pairs. 131596 was the bearish entry, and if you look, the market is making the bearish pattern from the lower from the entry. If you look at the daily candle, then daily candle is turning into bearish. It is trying to get inside the lower red boundary. So guys, overall we are bearish on USD Canadian dollar. Okay, another pair that responded quickly was Great Britain Pound USD with a strong bullish trend from 131297 and 132461 was the target price. And guys, you can see Great Britain Pound moved up from the entry and finally it hit the target price. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended up with good profits. Another trade that is taken on Euro JPY with a bullish expectation from 118091 and 118803 is the target price. However, it has shown us some good momentum, but overall it was fine momentum due to the Monday. And if you look at the daily candle, the daily candle has also pumped bullish. At last, going to talk about AUD JPY with a slower expectation, and it remained slower. And I also sent the note in the morning with signals that today we can expect this slower day, and we have seen a slower day. 73420 was the bullish entry on AUD JPY, and guys, you can see the market has moved up right from the entry. So guys, just make sure that whenever you are going to trade on Monday, then you should you can use high lot size, but do scalping on the pairs whenever you see that the market is making the slower momentum. Where the momentum is fine, like for example, let's talk about Euro USD. This momentum was fine. It was making the upward momentum. Candle's size was good, so it's better to trade. But whenever you see that the candle size is very low, like in case of USD JPY, the smaller candles were in preparation. If you look at USD Canadian dollar, I'm going to take you to 1 hour chart. Look, the candles were very small, so here scalping is preferable. But whenever you see that the candle size is good, then you can trade the and test the up to the target price. Okay guys, this is for the newcomers. Moreover guys, I'm going to talk about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary, and if it starts getting the rejection from the top, then you can sell the pair. Look, from the top red boundary, the market received the rejection. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum like it happened on Euro USD today, then you can buy the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report, the report is based on a trick. And this is a very easy trick that I am using, and I teach this trick for $700. It's a one-time investment, but you will be able to trade at your end, and you will be also to sell your services to other people, and I can teach you that how to prepare this signal. So guys, if you're interested, I can teach this thing for $700. I take the subscriber to the Skype coaching, and we together make the signal. So guys, if you're looking to subscribe to that service or any of the service, then for all these things you need to contact me on info@200forexwebs.com. Okay guys, please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.